Hello everyone, let's practice some reading fill in blanks from APEUNI but with the hard version 1. Anxiety can be at times truly truly which one? Actually I don't know. Making it hard to go about your day. However, feelings of unease, worry and fear, whether mild or more severe, can be dealt with. In the moment of anxiety, uh, which one? Attack, trace, I don't know. There are ways to step back. Okay, so there are two. First one, anxiety can be at times truly attack or truly deviating or depleting. Actually, I don't know the meaning of depleting, but truly attack. And in the moment of anxiety, it is not deviating, trace and regardless. I think this word which I don't know its meaning, so it will be like that. Let's see. Oops. This one. It should be switched. This one
debilitating,
debilitating, to make somebody or mind weaker. But whether correct, step correct. Okay, let's solve another one. If your mind is breaks, guilty, not kicks, is okay. Your body responds in kind, the sympathetic nerves reflecting in, bracing you for a threat. Your breathing becomes fast and shallow, and adrenaline races to your muscles, which can cause you tremble and feel guilty. The first one is if your mind is racing. If your mind is racing, I think from the grammatical point of view and from things, it will be racing. Let's see. Oops. Racing correct. Nervous system kicks in.
kicks,
Faint. Feels faint. Means
faint,
clearly seen. Feel faint. Okay, let's try another one. The tricky thing about soil is that no two not two patches or clutches, I think clutches, let's see, of it in the world are alike. One area might have a higher clay or sand content, another might have carbon from plants, one spot might be darker than others and absorb more of the sun energy. In some places like Amazonian rainforest, tree mites hitting the earth might block almost. Block, correct. It will be block, absorb, but this one two clutches or batches. I think two clutches. Let's see. Batches. It was batches. Two patches.
patches,
Yeah, small area of something. Okay, let's try more one. While voting would seem fundamental in democracy, voting rights in the US have long been concerning. The Constitution makes no stipulations who can vote. Varying, I don't know. Instead, it is left to the states to decide, and they have often tried with degrees of success. With varying degrees of success. Okay, new stipulation. Attaching or publicizing. I think it would be not practical, contagious, not contagious, I think. Attaching, publicizing. Mm, this is my feelings. Stipulation, publicizing, who can vote, has long been. I will put this one because it's not fit contagious, it's what attaching or practical. Let's see. Yes, concerning. I don't know what the meaning of this one.
contentious,
Contentious. Disagreement. Varying. Concerning. Okay, everyone. That's enough for the hard versions of this type of question. Actually, this is the extreme hard version of the reading fill in the blanks in PTE academic. And 2 of 3 I consider it as good result. Thank you.